thing go. Joe Blaine. I'm not just bad in a song, but everywhere pussy.
Yeah.
Patriots.
So yo, in the last part of the song, you know, brother, the one make you know say yo, you just bad in a song in a chronicle. The man bad. Everyone buckle way in a chronicle. That matter let on a chronicle. So guess what? You better answer the man and dog and don't make people think you throw the white flag, you know, because him answer you back and start up at the war. You know. The man take a whole day, whole 24 hours in a chronicle and measure song and drop it for you in a chronicle. So I'm see what you go to chronicle. We are wait for you on a chronicle. And don't take a next 24. Well, make sure you song good. Take as long as you want. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Clash HypeMan. I'm a feel say, me think Jahmiel give up. Me think Jahmiel throwing the white flag too. Me think Jahmiel quit with that. But in the middle of the night, Jahmiel, why you take so late for respond? You them listen to something there, you know what I mean? Rapper. Because I must say, yo, I'm not dropping them too fast. You see me, I say, by next week Clash I got done. I'm think say Clash is done, but Jahmiel got one job. Teach them again. So if current class and name schooling, Jahmiel sang names teach them again. Must see what I go on. Backside, pretty cover work. Run tune here, man.
Buff. Them start a war now, them want for
Yeah.
gun. Great done full of money and fucking gun.
Hold on there. Me the Clash man now. What me do wrong? What out the night? Yeah, me I say the man chronicler. The man say you start a war, you know, and you want to run. Chronicler. You have to go answer about the man now, you know. I just say matter. Right as the song start. You say now answer them again. You have to go answer him now. Run tune.
And from the start, you know when I got done. Them can't school feed them a fucking dunce. Bumbo fool.
Jahmiel, chronicler. The man say you can't school him, you know. You say the name school, and the man say, yo, you can't school him because you are dunce. Chronicler. The man I just say matter, you know, but you not answer him again, you know. People. I don't know what to go on now. I ever sang them, you know, because I want the Clash to go on. I don't want the Clash done, you know. So I say, run tune, selector.
All the war can buy out. Here shot a fire, shit got fly out. Sanja no tears, the wall of them dry out. Patriots no stop till everything die.
So what on there? I say mother the name Jahmiel. Me chronicler. I Sanja mother the name. Me never know no. Hello, Miss Sanja, how you doing? Hi, the reaction boss, the Clash HypeMan over here. It's nice to have a lyrical son like chronicler, you know. It's very nice. Thank you for bringing it up here in Jamaica Earth. You understand me, pa? Earth here in Jamaica? Yes. It's very much appreciated. Right now, dance all nice again because of his son. Thank you very much. But go to the matter, Clash. Sanja, man, if Jahmiel go cry up his son face, you know, Sanja, but I could see what Jahmiel go say. You know, you like Jahmiel, Sanja? You know Jahmiel? You don't know? Run through.
What me do? Pint and squeeze, trigger finger no lazy. Pussy a fit dead, me killer them no shake.
The man says so dog and take the whole day, brother. And says and I still a mass up a song for you, chronicler. The man says so the whole day, brother. Say, you know what? Them say I song them, you know. Them say, yo, it I get out of hand. Song them a drop too fast, so I slow it down and write a bad song. Chronicler, the man come in and say, yo, pint and eat. Pint and squeak. Run tune.
With them at that name bravery, me sick, me psycho, me bumbo clock crazy. Line of your name that a be a Babylon. Killer with the key.
Line of your name that a be a Babylon. Yo, be telling you, no people. The man take the day and I say, no, I slow down the Clash a little bit. The Clash go on too fast, man. The man take around 24 hours for write a reply, as you can see. Carry it around 12 o'clock right now, 11 o'clock. But me not lie, me glad say me drop a reply because me not wait, you know. Me say, boy, you not drop a reply. Jahmiel, not drop a reply. People ma wait, you know, and Tyrekevlogs are wait how long, you know, that all my phone dead right now. My phone have to plug in. This is normally going to do reaction. Run tune.
Yeah, me get DS on me turn. Them a fire white shot, we no feel no mission. Kill chest, to wet a cool your face, funny man. Rifle.
Wow. People ever saying a bad one to drop some likes in the comment section, some likes for the video right now. I'm right now, if Jahmiel, one thing more Jahmiel sang, one thing more the singer. I'm not listen to the song before and watch the reaction now. One thing can go off with the singer. Drop it down below in the comment section. Let me read the cover art and see what I go on. But we are teacher dead man. Teach them again. Run tune here, man. What kind of gun? Run tune here, man.
The rise all of me condemn. Chew me in for real that ton them. The whole of center must want for done them. We no conk man, we underground them.
No man, the singer too bad, man. Well, I'm take a walk and come back, dog. Take a walk and come back. Dance are nice enough, people. You don't know, no? Alright, we have position. Blood clot position still there. Me go there. Position, what are they? Alright. Run it now.
Me never take a kick, never take a box. Ever have a clip, we full up a shot.
Yeah.
Think when they 12, kill you 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
Would you say you're
if they 12, I'll kill you 1 o'clock. But hold on there. I will sing me one song already in the clash, you know. Say I kill you 12 o'clock, you know, and bury you 1 o'clock, you know. Remember that the warrior something I go and people want to comment which song that lyrics that playing now because I don't remember the lyrics from in the clash already, you know. But I kill you 12 o'clock and I go bury you 1 o'clock. I will sing that people want to comment. Me know if you fat me that already in the war. But run tune.
if I never fox. Now them want to run. Great done full of money and fucking gun. And from the start you know it now go done. Them can't school.
You know what you should address? But just like what Sean Storm say in them song, start and one cancel. But anyways, people, boy, I go I'm not playing the game right now, bro. God, but you may say, man, Sean Storm. I want to see if him address Sean Storm. I want to see if him address Vibes Cartel matter too. Because remember, you know, Vibes Cartel post Jahmiel song. Say yes, my son. I see it to the dog. I say, I don't know. I see how I see it, man. I see it on a thumbnail. I'm telling you, I don't really watch YouTube in the dog. I think I third. Can you third and once man, could I make a 10-minute video out of one comment, out of one story? I see it to the dog. I say, watch it. I must go on Cartel timeline and I see it. I see Jahmiel sharing back on film timeline. I say, yo, this is from long time. This is from before I realize whatever. I don't remember about. Dance all too nice. Run through.
Cool feed them a fucking dunce. Humble hold the war can't buy out. Be a shot of fire, big brain fly out. Sandra nah no tears, the whole of them dry out. Be a shot.
Sandra, are you crying? Sandra, did you cry? Did Jahmiel make you cry for your son? Sandra, did you listen to any of Jahmiel's songs and you was like fretting, wondering if your son is okay? Sandra, you alright? Make sure you're alright, you know, Sandra. Make sure you say you eat a whole heap of food and you drink a whole heap of juice. You understand me? And just relax in your house and get the whole little clash money with Jahmiel, Chronic Law make. Because you know, say, you know, so when the clash are going and them two artists they alone dance I really care about. You understand me? Anything when so job, no relevant. See me, Sandra? So let's make sure you say alright, you know, Sandra. You see me? I say, alright, run through.
That's not stop till everything die out. This bumbo clot too. You look your head, brother. We go shovel them beside them dead, brother.
Yeah.
This about God done said them no well clever. Man,
I call on done said. The man are listening up wicked in the arm and know what go on now. You know more answer. You know who don't like to see like jump at the clash people. We know this will never happen. That will never happen, you know. But we don't like to see Daddy one night clash. Who with me with that one? Who with me with that one? Who don't want to see Daddy one in the clash? Me would have liked to see Daddy one in the clash. Personally, me would have liked to see Daddy one in the clash. But run through.
and I'm mother a killing in my mates, brother. Tivoli said them now no strength. Say about them afraid of fan comments. We are dollars them now make.
So what on there? Chronic Law. You did afraid to comment them from the fans, dog. I like you tell dog. Chronic Law. Tivoli in a rate you? Chronic Law. What Jahmiel really attack? Because you tell him to talk facts, you know, brother. I know, so once you tell a man to talk facts, a man to come talk facts and don't tell a lie, you know. So me I go strongly and hopefully and make sure say I true. Chronic Jahmiel I tell me I like to name because I chat about it so much, but me I make sure say I true the man I tell no one of that. Chronic Law. Is it true that you are or is not afraid of Bumbuckle fans comment? My comment is afraid of my own because I every Bumbuckle song. That's saying about like King Batman already. Run through.
No sense. Had the rifle we use and bust it. Start a war now them want to run. Great done full of money and fucking gun. No stop till everything die out. Headshot boy my rug on up. Don't sing but me just a warm up.
Claw don't sing but me just a warm up. Because him say, brother, me know say if I sing if I try if I sing ya, if you sing a sing ya, if you make certain or if you make sure say Chronic Law answer your back, brother. It bad. You see me I say? Because I'm kind of listen to Jahmiel I say, yo, you don't sing, I say, yo, Chronic Law, I say, yo, I don't sing, you know. No, he must say, Jahmiel I say, yo, you don't sing, but me just a warm up. Say better continue the clash. Or you go take the L. But run tune.
Which Glock you a shop them a broke. Empty your clip in a miss and a fuck. Shaw boss you know no militants.
Oh no. Chronic Law dep on the nah fuck truck dog. Viewers and subscribers. I thought me want to say Chronic Law nah fuck. Bumbo clean. Loud not tell pan the man. Some man that music with a woman. I want to you. Man big breast and them man the whole lamp and the big breast and suck up the big breast. What you talk about? Me see Chronic Law in a music video dog. I wanna talk about the fat sexy girl. But only thing wrong with the music video, him should keep on him shirt. You should have keep on him shirt that. I'm not like that. I'm not run tune.
Now no power from a G and you a piggy bank. Lionel town full of vigilance. The 4-5 left him with a pissy pants. Start of war now them want.
Country bad this today. Who know Lionel town? Me say from the know. No Lionel town. No Lionel town. I try me grow up them place. I know them place there. Buckler. That's what I really wonder, dog. If I fax them man talking him singing a dog or just lyrics in a dog. But now big man message in a dog. I always wonder, I fax you not talk or lie on a bumbo little. Make sure I don't not tell no. But run through me chat too much.
We run great done full of money and fucking gun.
Get ready.
Patriots not stop till everything die out.
Yeah.
School you. Fuck your brain a fool you. Don't know.
Boy people, I don't know if you're saying a dog. What you say about the song, me I ask on the door, is the song weak, or the song up, or the song bad, or the song shit in a dude or shit in a water. Let me know one thing about the song. You understand me? But for me, the song kick out be a teeth, man. See the bad boy tell me the song dropping. Big up yourself, bro, God. That's what me I say. I see a name on the screen. People shout out to him. I don't really know his name. But one thing about the song, drop it down below in the comment section. And then me I say, I'm going to see what I say. I don't know, say in the last part I said them love chatting and show some little more this and so I'm going to see what I say.
The thing when the swallow food. Papi, Delator, Tivoli, Rivoli. Great bomb lad and them for no.
Me ask you something now. All of them man we are big up. All of them places. Every song you have somebody they want big up. But they want big up. But brother, you sure enough found the can't even go to them place want to big up that. You sure so when you go to them place any of the bad man in the place like a rate on brother. I always ask, I always understand this in that because you know I was a big up some place and never yet did it. Never ever passed through yet. You might know one man live in that place and say, oh yeah, I'm a bad man. Most ask on that. Me also live in a one bad community. I never see me see an artist, but them man they not sing about it. You see me see simple artists like Being Man, the man. They man they sing about bad song and them man they may see on the plate of me today. They may say, me not really put it. But me I show you say them man me never see them, never hear say them man they pass through the place yet. And ever the man they big up in the place them not song, brother. We never go there yet. Me don't know. Me not go on Jahmiel case, dog. Me go on all of the artists, them, brother. Every single artist, dog. Don't do a cartel. Every man, dog. Me not go on nobody specific case. Every one of them. I always have big up the bad place, them, but we never go there yet. We don't even know which bad place look like yet. We only hear about place in the news and know some bad place, dog. But me don't know. Run this side to me myself.
The thing go. Joe Blaine. I'm not just bad in a song, but everywhere pussy.
Yeah.
Patriots.
So yo. In the last part of the song, brother, don't make you know say, yo, I'm just bad in a song in a chronicle. The man bad. Everyone buckler way in a chronicle. That matter let on a chronicle. So guess what? You better answer the man and dog and don't make people think they throw the white flag in because him answer you back and start up at the war. You know? The man take a whole day, whole 24 hours in a chronicle and measure song and drop it for you in a chronicle. So I'm see why you go to chronicle. We are weird for you on a chronicle. And don't take a next 24. Well, make sure you sound good. Take as long as you want. You see me I say. Don't rush the clash. Don't rush the clash chronicle. But wait for your reply. Don't rush the clash.